Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install the Ezvid screen recorder on Windows. So it's very easy. At first go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type the name, that is the Ezvid screen recorder. That's it, and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, that means ezvid.com. Click on it. So we directly reach the software for Windows. Okay, or you can go to the home page ezvid.com and reach the Windows version. Here it is. You can read about it here. Click on it. Ezvid for Windows. Link is visible, downloading. Okay. Go below and click on download from here. It completed. Now double click on it to install. Minimize. Now the setup started, as you can see here. Okay. Click on the agreement. The software is free and open source, so click on the license agreement. I accept the agreement and click on next. Now herein you can see it is showing you that how you can record your screen with one click. Okay, and other features are also visible. Click on next. This also provides a feature for voice recording. Click on next. For project management also you can check here. You can duplicate a project, you can save your project easily, and it will start downloading from the official website. It's 158 MB. Let's wait. So the installation completed. You can see it opened on its own. Okay, and a desktop shortcut also got created. These are the keyboard shortcuts. You can directly right click here and start editing. Here it is. You can directly click here to start your screen capture. Okay, and this is your timeline basically. You can save the video from here. You can add text from here. You can record your voice from here by clicking here. And you can load a project from here. From zoom in, zoom out, you have the following. And from here you can play. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install the Ezvid screen recorder on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.